Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I do anything Disney. And today we are at the Disney outlet in San Diego. I think this is the only Disney store in San Diego, and it is one exit away from Tijuana, which is a fun fact. So it's the last exit. It literally says last exit in the US. I've done one video here before, so we'll see what we can find. So let's hear all about it. Upon entering, it looks like, it looks like we have some towels for $20. So not on sale. I think that's just our normal price. And it looks like maybe the outlet stuff is on this side. So let's look over here. Okay. So it looks like there's some cups. This one's kind of cool. But I think these are all regular priced. Yeah, $30. We have some mugs, but all regular price. So I'm gonna skip all the regular price stuff and try to just get on the outlet stuff. So we have these mugs. 15 churros. This one's kind of interesting. It's like all of the things. It just doesn't have the chimichanga, so. And then we have more mugs. We have more mugs. 17. I've been looking at this one for a while, but it's still 25. We have Follow the Vibes for 10. This one's not bad. And then the duck one. So we've seen this before. I haven't seen this one. This one's 8. It's been here a while, you can tell. But yeah, all of these are normal price. I'm gonna skip these. All of this home stuff is normal price. I'm really distracted because this song is on and I want to sing along. Okay, we have some cups, $10. Some Moana plates, 20. They're actually kind of cute. Let's see what they look like. They just have Moana on the sides. And then Kanto House. Is it a piggy bank? No, it turns on, it looks like. It is 40. And then Kanto Bowl, or maybe a planter, 20. Some wedding cake toppers, groomsman, 15. And then they have the Encanto candle, 22. Let's see. We also have Little Mermaid. I don't know if this is on sale. This one's 8, so I'm guessing the blankets are on sale too. Yeah, $30. Oh, what did I do? Okay, walk away. We have some toys on sale. Wow, that actually does look like Melissa McCarthy. 15. And then we have some toys. This one's interesting. What are these? The little, like, stands? They're $10, so if you know what they are, they're $10. These mugs and blankets are on sale. Miss Piggy. I really like this one, but it has to be the right price. 17? I don't think 17 is the right price. Some Mickey, Avengers, Starbucks, and then Ernesto de la Cruz. 13. That's not bad, but I don't know that I need it. 2 for 20 on ornaments. Let's go over here. So I'm just gonna go through the ornaments kind of quickly, but it's 2 for 20, so $10 each. We've seen these before. I'm just showing you what's left over. I kind of like that one. We have Figment, Yeti, pretty much almost every single one that we saw during Christmas is here. So like I said, I'm not gonna go over each one, but I feel like I have in one of my previous posts. Queen Amidala is kind of cute. Amidala? Orange bird? No, we can't. Don't drop it because you don't like it. This shirt's calling me, but it's a small. Look how cute. Oh, I would buy this in a heartbeat. It's $13. If you're a small, come get this. But it looks like there's some PJs, some Hanukkah shirts, and they are $20. For being 4 months in, they're still not like on a mega sale, you know? 25, so yeah, normal prices. Not normal, but normal for the outlet. We have some Christmas. They have quite a bit of sweaters. And what's this one? Spider-Man. Sorry, I can't show it to you. I don't know where my helper went. He's exploring, I think. We have cookies and pantuflas. $10 for the cookie molds. Helper, can you help us see what the sweater is? Okay, so we have that one, and then can you show us the other one, please? Spider-Man with great powers, 25. Okay, thank you. More holiday ones, 15 and under, and it looks like it's the holiday shirt. And they are actually $15.98. So this is a lot. Bruno, we've seen almost all of this. $12. Love you. Oh, it's gonna fall. Even little ones, Halloween stuff is here. Bootopia, 2024. Cute little t-shirts. Tree Rex. That's actually funny. Okay, and then more Christmas on the side. And then these are all toys that I think are normal price. So $30, $30. We do have backpacks on sale. And it looks like they are $13, $23. Spider-Man down there is $20. 30 for this one. It looks like it would like wrinkle fast though. And then Baby Yoda is 35, or Grogu. We got more toys. More toys on this side. Huh? Lightsaber? And more over here. How much is this? Mandalorian. Oh, regular price, 35. Some kid rounds, $8, $14. I'm just looking at prices and showing you kind of fast. Some PJs, $13 for that shirt with Raja, and then another $14.99 and up. It looks like regular price PJs, and then some onesies, $12. Little train, $15. Is it percent? Match the shapes and the stacking pieces. Oh, it's a matching game. This is cute. And then we have more little toys like this. Little submarine, 15. Little teacup set. Cute jacket. I didn't see this one over there. And it's on sale. 24. These PJs are cute too, but they're regular price, 30. It's weird, some of it is like on sale and some of it is normal price, 20. We have some tiny little onesies. Oh, Lila had this when she was a baby. Regular price, 35. And then some costumes. More toys, regular price. Costumes, a lot of the Wish stuff is 40% off. Was it 40% or 60% off at the parks? The Wish stuff, 40, huh? So even at the Disney parks are 40. They're just trying to get rid of them. We have some swimwear, but it's not on sale, so I'm just gonna walk by it. And let's go to the other corner that looks like might be outlet priced items. We have some pants, 20. Cute. These feel like a nice material. They're like jeggings. 20. Great on size range. We have some t-shirts. Year of the Rabbit. Isn't it Year of the Dragon? Was this last year's? It must be. It's $8. Some shirts. Sorry if you can't hear me. The music's kind of loud. Some Disney t-shirts. Ooh, that one's cool too. That one's cool. 50, not for 50. More Wish stuff. Again, 40% off. Spirit jerseys. Oh, look at this one. 23. I like the fabric of it. It's like a waffle. This long sleeve, it's a nice quality too. 33, yeah, it feels like a nice quality. We've seen this one before too. 25? No, 45. Spirit jersey is 47. Heroes, Friends, Visionaries. Very nice. And this one is normal price. Marble Pride, 20. Some jackets. I think it's like Avengers. And then a sweater. And then we've seen this one a lot before. 25. We've seen this one too before. 24. More Avengers. And an orange blue t-shirt. $10. $10. Ooh, $10 for this one. I like this one. I would wear it to the parks. I might get it. $10. $25. $6. Oh, sorry. I'll put it back right now. $12. $12. Okay, we might have to switch cameras soon because I think she's dying. We have ears. I'm not sure if they're on sale. Yeah, $20. These are $35. So those are on sale. These aren't. 27. They're on sale. These have to be on sale. No? Guess not. 21. 40% off. Spiderwing. 35. So it's like a mix. Oh, t-shirt. 33. They're like mixed in, huh? So some are on sale, some aren't. I think it's just based on size, maybe. So yeah, all of these shirts are like adult sizes. I like that Spider-Man one that the mannequin's wearing, and it's $12. Huh. But yeah, ranging anywhere from 12 to 14. Okay, we switched cameras. I apologize. That one's 140, and then this one is 100. Very nice. Is this one too? Oh, okay. I'll grab it right now. And we have some $30. We've seen some of these before. 50. Oh yeah, less touched. And then we'll look at the bags in a second. But here are more figurines, but I'm just gonna check the label. So it's not on sale. So it looks like we have more Skylines. And then the train, which was still expensive when I looked. Yep, it's 70. Still expensive. We do have some purses. 50. 40% off. Vera Bradley, 40. Have we checked this one? We have. And then Doonies, but they're a little hidden, so. 130. 150. And then we've seen this one. What is it? Oh, it's a blanket? Oh, it's like wool. It's fancy. It's very fancy. $240 for this blanket. It felt fancy. 18. It looks like they might not be on sale. Or not all of them. $10. This one's been here a minute. It's still normal price. Socks, $2. These have been here forever too. $10. This was at the park, so I'm assuming it's regular. Ay, mi amor, ay, mi amor. Oh, $8. And I saw them at the parks yesterday. Lanyard series. Oh, $10. Oh, that's cool. Oh. But there's the store. The last thing is just plushies, but they're all regular price. Or, you know, regular clearance sale. Hey, 2023. $10. Wow, it's gone down by a lot. Are the frozen dolls on sale? No. 100. Whew. Alright, ready? Alright, so this is what we ended up purchasing. The Skyliner from Guardians of the Galaxy. A pair of shorts for 10. Yay! And then this little toy for my friend's baby. So not bad. Yeah. overall the store is pretty organized. The only thing that threw me off was there was like mixed normal price with clearance instead of having like just the clearance section, so you just have to dig a little bit. Oh, and they have military discounts. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions. I guess this is called Plaza Las Americas. Oh, there it is, Las Americas Premium Outlets. So yeah, not bad. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see the rest of our trips and other outlets that we've gone. We've gone to Vegas, Cali, and San Francisco actually. So